Now today, we're gonna make ourselves some wings. Have this wood, very nice. Came from the beach, old growth Doug fir. Has very nice grain. It's very nice shape. I've done tree shaping. I'll work with the axe. Gransfors Bruk's axe. Small carving hatchet. This is the tool. Gransfors Bruk's small carving hatchet with custom handle. Very nice, made by AS. You can see the guy's name that made it right there, AS. In Sweden. This is the main tool. Then I'm just gonna freeform a duck, a bird, to go with one of these wings maybe, or some other wings. And this, I found on the beach just like that. And then I split it. And I'm making wings. And they will go on a bird. This is redwood. The sapwood. Very soft, carves very easily. I'm going to freeform the duck just to warm up with the tool. Here, let us get closer. Howdy. How you doing? Okay. Good. see, it is going to be a bird at some point. Nice big beak, nice tail. This is some form of pine. On to the redwood. Carves like butter. This is going to be a wing. It's a nice wing, it has nice feathers. Just have to round it up a little.